Hey y'all. In this video, we're going to talk about solving linear inequalities. So I have some examples cooked up for us. Let's jump right in. So number one here, we've got negative 2x is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so the game is similar to solving equations. I just want to get x by itself. Okay, so just like if we were solving an equation, I want to divide both sides by negative 2. Okay, so let's see. On the left-hand side, we're going to get x. And then on the right-hand side, 10 divided by negative 2, well, that's going to be negative 5. But when I'm dealing with inequalities and I divide by a negative number, I have to flip the sign. So the problem was greater than or equal to, but since we divided by that negative 2, the answer becomes less than or equal to. So my answer here is x is less than or equal to negative 5. Okay, let's try the next one. So this one's similar, just except I've got this plus 1. So same game, I want to get x by himself. So I'll start by subtracting 1 from both sides. So the 1s will cancel, and then on the right, I'll just have 12 minus 1, which is 11. Okay, then divide both sides by 5. And we have x is greater than or equal to 11/5. Okay, let's try one more. Now this third one, notice, has 2 inequalities in it. So this reads 1 is less than 2x plus 7, which is less than 11. Okay, so the game is the same. I want to get x by himself in the middle. Okay, so I need x to be in the middle. So what I do to the middle, I have to do to both ends. Okay, so I'm going to start by subtracting 7 because I want to get rid of that 7. But I'm going to subtract it on the right and on the left. Okay, so 1 minus 7, well, that's going to be a negative 6. The 7s cancel in the middle, and I'm just left with 2x. Okay, and then on the right-hand side, I've got 11 minus 7, which is 4. Okay, one more step to get x by itself in the middle. So I need to divide by 2. So again, I need to divide both outside ends by 2. So let's see, negative 6 divided by 2, well, that's going to be negative 3. And that has to be less than x, which is less than 4 over 2, which is 2. So my final answer is negative 3 is less than x, less than 2. Okay, so that's what they asked me to find. That's the answer. But just reading that, I want you to think that's just saying x is between negative 3 and 2. So x is some number between negative 3 and 2. Hope this helps.